Hi, everyone. This is a testimonial for Andrew Hardwick, hypnotherapist. So I sought Andrew's help because I completed a training last year as a hypnotherapist, and I'm helping people in several areas. And one of the areas I only had theoretical knowledge on was anaesthesia and analgesia. So I had a dental treatment to attend, and 1 month before the treatment, I went to see Andrew, who kindly and happily took me on as an apprentice, I would say, and I was delighted with the techniques that he shared with me and my techniques that he helped me perfect. So I got to Andrews, and the best metaphor I have to share my experience is the magician's hat. So you know, when you're watching a magician show, he takes one big fat rabbit out of the hat, and another one, and you wonder how many others could he fit in that hat. So the same was with Andrew. And the size of Andrew's hat was only 90 minutes. In the 90 minutes, he managed to share with me so many techniques that by the time I went to my treatment, that was today, I was feeling 100% confident that it was going to work out, that I had all the resources that I needed to do. So just to give you a feedback, I was born a very sick child, and I'm not supposed to be here. I was supposed to have died when I was 5 years old. And so if you look at my teeth, you'll see that they are very irregular, they are gray, and they were badly affected by the huge amount of antibiotics that I took when I was a child. And most of the times, my body didn't respond to them. And this is why the doctor said, hug her, kiss her, love her. She's not going to pass the 5-year mark. And I'm still here. I'm 60. I'm still here in good health. Anyway, I went to the dentist today, and she already knew that I was going to use hypnosis to replace anesthetics. And the reason I prefer to do that is that even though anesthetics are good and work okay, they're chemicals, and there is a side effect to them that is a long-lasting numbness that is unwelcome. And besides that, the dentist has to pinch the nerve to release the anesthetic, and that's not comfortable because it keeps hurting for a few days. And so I went to the dentist, and she said, "Are you ready?" I said, "Yes, I'm ready," and that was it. I just slouched into the dentist chair, and my dentist and hair assistant did a lot of work over 1 hour. And that was all drilling and filling. One of the tooth, which is one of the incisors, the canine tooth, had a deep decay in it, and she said there was a possibility that we would have to do canal treatment, and I consented to it without any fear or any worry whatsoever, because my mouth was 100% numb, and the numbness was more powerful than the one that I experienced in the past with a chemical anesthetic. And at the end of the treatment, 1 hour had passed, and I was shocked because I thought I had been there for 5 minutes, and it was well over 1 hour that I was there. And she turned to me and said, "You did extremely well." And I did indeed, because I couldn't feel any pain whatsoever. I couldn't tell which tooth she was working on. And it was like the more they touched my mouth, the more relaxed it felt, the more comfortable it felt. For the first time in my life, I felt like that in a dentist's clinic. So here goes my 1 million thank you to Andrew Hardwick. I know, Andrew, you are almost ready to become a trainer. And guess what? I want to be trained by you. I have a world of knowledge still to acquire in hypnotherapy, and I'm looking forward to joining with you to learn more. You are an amazing teacher. You are very patient, and I see you as a very competent professional, and you made me feel really comfortable. You gave me choices. I loved it. And as a result, I got a dental treatment without anesthetic. And I'm feeling super happy because at this time I would be still moaning with a sore mouth, probably still anesthetized and unable to eat. And look at me now. I had a lovely meal. There is no pain. There is nothing. It was just a 1 hour experience of comfort and well-being. Thank you, Andrew, and bye for now.